Welcome back. We have successfully implemented the upload job.dot. So we will close that, and now we will start working right on the job screen. Just click on that first one. There we go with the job screen. Now let me open the dart file for that. So there we go with the job screen.dot. Open that. Here we are. So now what we will do, we will simply first create a button right in here and also right in here. That first one will be simply for the filter list, and there will be all the job, and then so if the user want to look upon the specific job, he can simply open that filter and click on that job. We will implement that first, and then right in here we will have a search icon. It will be simply for the search screen. So let's go and start working on that. The first thing that I will do, I will simply remove that title, job screen. Okay, we don't need this, and you guys already know about that. It's a job screen. So come here and simply remove that title from here, and that center title, remove it. Now simply, I didn't hot reload the app, I will go and hot reload the app from here, run man.dart. This will take some time, just wait for a while, and the text will be gone just in a while. There we go. The app is being initialized, and here we are on the job screen. The text is gone, job screen. Now the first button that we will create, as I told you before, it will be simply for the filter list right in here. So let's go and do that first. Right in here, below this container, it will be just right in the app bar. So right in the app bar in here, we will say reading. There we go, and then we say icon button, the capital I. There we go, and now right in there, simply we'll set the icon. Right in here, remove that one I, we put two I, so it didn't show the suggestion. So simply remove that I from here, and there will be a suggestion. There we go, icon. Now simply what we will do, we will say icon, and let's have that icon in here, filter list. We will go with the rounded one. Okay, filter list rounded. You can choose whatever you want right in there. Now we will also set the color for that icon in here. We will go with the black color. That's fine. Now it's going to take the on press event right down in here. For now we will leave this empty, and later on we will work on that. So in here, first add the const modifier. Okay, now simply just press the Ctrl S, and you guys will notice that icon button. There we go. As you guys can see right in here on the left side, right at top, there we go with the filter list rounded icon. Now simply we will go towards the on press event, and we will create a method and call upon right in there. It's going to be simply show talks categories dialog, in which there will be a different kind of jobs, as we implemented before, writing the upload job dot. So for time saving, we will go simply to the upload job and we will copy that method from there and we will make a little change in it. So simply go towards the upload job dot, as you guys can see right in here. Open that. We will go right at top and we're gonna copy the method show talks categories download. Okay, simply from here wrap it and copy that whole method. Copy it. Now simply expand it again and we will close that upload job dot. Now we are back on the job screen, as you guys can see right in here. Okay, we will go above the widget build. There we go, widget build, and right in here just pass the method that we copied before. There we go. Okay, as you guys can see right in here. In here expand it. Now writing this method, we will make a little change. In here we will remove that, and now first we will go and create a string type variable right above. In that we will say string. Gonna name this as a job category filter. That's fine. Now copy that and go down right in here, paste it, or you can manually write it. In here click on this persistent, simply import the library so the error will be gone then. There we go with the first one. As you guys can see, the error has been gone already. And guys, one more thing, I have already explained that method in detail writing the upload job dot, so there is no need of that to explain it again. It's just a simple code and I have already explained this in detail. So in here we make this a little change. Okay, so now it's gonna assign that writing this variable job category filter, and right down in here we will also say if there will be any kind of dialog, and basically if it can pop, then what we will do, writing the if, we will simply remove that with the pop context. There we go. And if there will be no dialog box, then write in else in here, we will say no and we will do nothing. It's a simple change. Now down in here we will simply print in here semicolon and tag this down. In here we will print, we will simply just print the job category list. So in here we will say that in the string job, or you can copy this from here. Okay, simply copy that and paste it right in here, as you guys can see. Then comma with the dollar sign, which we will do right in there, we will say persistent, or you guys can simply for time saving copy that from here and paste it in there right in the curly braces. Okay, we simply just print that and all of thing will be similar right in here. Now we will go towards the actions. Okay, in here also we will make a little change, and also we will add a text button, another. So in here we will change this cancel to close. Okay, and also write down in here we will add a text button, another. Okay, remove that, we will add it just in a while. In here comma, take this down. It's going to take the on press event. Okay, since it's a stateful widget, so right in here we will say set state. In here semicolon, take this down, and in here we will say job category filter. You will equal that to no. Okay, fine. Now you will simply copy that from here and paste it right in here. If there will be any kind of dialog box, if it's can pop, then we will remove that with the help of pop contacts, or if there will be no dialog box, then we will do nothing. So in here we say now. Right after, in here it is going to take the child and write in the text widget. Let's have that text for that button. It's going to be cancel filter, so the user can simply cancel the filter if he didn't want. And then we will say style, text style as usual, and then let's set the color. We will go with the white. That's fine. Now in here add the const modifier. All fine. So simply write in here that first text button is going to simply close the dialog filter, and that second text button will cancel the filter. You guys will get the idea whenever we run the app and test it, so don't worry about it. You will just check it in a while. But first let me complete that. Now simply what we will do, we will go and use that method. Okay, so let's go down, writing the icon button in leading on press event in here. Okay, we will say underscore show task categories dialog. Okay, it's going to take the size. Okay, but right in the widget build we didn't define the size type. Okay, we will go and define that first. There we go with the widget build, and right in here we will say size, type size, and in here media query. There we go. Dot of contacts dot size. So it's gonna take the size of the screen whatever it will be. Write it and semicolon, and now we're gonna use that size, and the error will be gone. There we go. The error has been gone already. Write it and semicolon. As I tell you, we call upon that method, and it's gonna take the size. Okay, and all the work has been done for that button. Now simply just hold to load the app, clicking here. It's going to take a while, so there we go. Now simply come here and click on this filter icon, and you guys will notice the filter list dialog. Okay, just click on that, and there we go, the job category and all of the jobs, and you guys can see that right in here. And also there we go with the close text button and also the cancel filter. So now in here, if the user want to look for the specific job right in here, then he or she can simply select that job from here, and it will show that job suggestion for that right on the job screen. But we didn't implement the query and the design for the job screen yet, so we will work on that right in the upcoming videos. And right after that, if we click on that business, since we upload that one job according to that business, it was for assistant, and you guys know already about that. So whenever we will complete the query and the design and then come right in here and click on that business, it will be simply right in here according to the business suggestion the job will be right in here. So for now there is nothing, because we didn't implement the query and the design. We will work on that right in the future videos, so don't worry for that. So as you guys can see, it's working totally fine, and if the user want to cancel the filter, he can simply, or she, click on that button and it will cancel the filter. And if they don't want to cancel the filter, they can simply close the dialog. So it's working totally fine, and you guys can see that right in here. We have successfully implemented that. So let's go close that, and basically that's it for this video. Right from the next video we will work further. So see ya.